Okay guys, ever wants to add urgency to your homepage but felt the customization options were too overwhelming? Well, this section keeps it simple while still giving you full control. Today we're adding this countdown timer section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for Countdown. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for Collection. Then choose that section. It will be added instantly. First, let's customize the layout. You'll get 3 different options here, and you can choose whichever one fits your store best. You can also change the page width, add your own promo text, a button label, and a button link. Below that, you can set the countdown end date and end time, along with labels for days, hours, minutes, and seconds. I'm not changing any of these right now since everything already fits my section perfectly, but you can adjust all of it based on your own store. Now let's move on to typography. You can customize the promo text styling here. Right below that, there's typography for the countdown numbers too, fully adjustable. After that comes the button settings, which you can also customize, along with card style settings. Then you've got all the color settings, section border options, and spacing controls for both desktop and mobile. You can change every single one of these based on your own preference. Once you've customized everything the way you'd like, hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.